My name's Steve Hammond. I'm the Managing Director of Motrac Race Engineering and now Motrac Research Engineering. We try to give opportunities to students, whether it be through placements, work experience, paid employment. Actually, the team that we have now, I've worked with them all on and off for a number of years.
Hello, my name's Rebecca Meadows and I work for Motrac Research Engineering.
My name is Matthew Lockwood. I work for a company called Motrac Research Engineering Limited.
My name is Sufyan Aslam and I work for Motrac Research Engineering Limited.
This has been a very organic process, as I say, with some very talented individuals. They were all coming to the end of their studies at the same time. I sort of suggested to the three of them that perhaps we should do something with this. Rebecca, Sufyan and Matthew all unanimously said, oh yes, I'm in for that, that's great. The whole point was that they all have a stake in the company, they've all got a vested interest, they can take this further forward.
Motrac Race Engineering has over 35 years of experience and specialities in the automotive industry. So originally clients approached Motrac Race due to the automotive expertise.
As the demand grew, it only made sense to evolve into this new company, relying on the engineering excellence developed by the previous company.
We now offer a range of services due to a growing demand in R&D, and that could be with product development, data analysis, and also we're particularly a specialist in emissions monitoring and air quality.
We're also working in industries for flue gas analysis, particulate matter analysis.
We help our partners in problem solving with some of the things that they have. We also have our products which we then use for some of our clients. So it's a wide variety of things that we do at Motrac.
You know, the world needs to keep turning, and we are renowned for our delivering on engineering excellence and on our projects and taking things across the line and exceeding those expectations.
Given that we had an excellent chemical engineering course and mechanical engineering course at Chester, it provided, if you like, oven-ready students to get involved with projects. So yes, they could start learning while they were studying, because for me, doing is learning.
I secured a part-time R&D position at Motrac Race, and that allowed me to study in between my lectures, which is completely unique, and I've never heard that at any other university before. So that allowed me to complete my lectures and then also work in industry at the same time.
At the Faculty of Science and Engineering, we do these 4-week-long placements at the end of our first year, and I met Motrac at a speed networking event. It was great. I had the opportunity to work on a real-world project, so it wasn't something, you know, where they just tell you, okay, you're doing this for a month basically, and it doesn't go anywhere. But this was a real-world project where I actually had input on a product.
I think employers really look for tangible skills, communication skills, time management, being organised, integrating into a team with others. A real-world industrial placement and company, there's a big emphasis on it, and it's paramount for engineering success, and allowed me to immerse myself in a real-world application with real-world pressures.
I think it's absolutely essential to do a placement while you're studying at university, because you study something in class, but it's not until you've seen, the knowledge being applied in real life that you actually gain, an understanding of it. You don't appreciate it enough until you actually see it in the industry.
I gained a lot personally and professionally. I think completing a placement allows you to build those skills that you need to succeed at any organisation, so it equips you with soft skills and also the technical expertise.
We've really got that engineering excellence on site, and it really sets us aside from being on a standard industrial estate, for example, versus being on Thornton Science Park. And it means you can immerse yourself into an academic / commercial / industrial hybrid. It exposes you to things that a traditional university campus wouldn't expose you to. It gave me opportunities that I didn't think I would get. They've got to be there in the first place.
You also had access to other companies, and it made it easier to network. There was just no opportunities like this which would allow for progression career-wise, and it would also be a creative outlet for us. because we got to work on different projects all the time.
Motrac Race and Research Engineering have received a huge amount of support from the team at university. We're on the lookout all the time for students to join our team because that allows them to apply the knowledge they've gained from their degree. It could be any STEM degree, and apply that knowledge to real world problems, to solve solutions, and that's essentially what we do every day at Motrac Research.